Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. This time around, these products are not from China, although I know they are made in China, but I ordered them from Temu. This is actually my first order from Temu. Let's do the unboxing together. I want to know whether this is worth it. You know, some people say the things they sell on Temu, what I ordered versus what I got. They get, they order something, they see a picture, they order it, and they deliver something else to them. So let's tear this down and see what they delivered. Ta-da! So what have we got here? Okay, I think I ordered a laundry bag. So this is a laundry bag. Okay, okay. So this one is a laundry. See? Laundry bag. It's not bad. Let me move back a little bit so you can. What do you think? There's nothing special about it. I don't know. See, it's big though, so this will be for our dirty clothes. See, if you see how much they are selling this in China, very, very cheap. When I saw it, I was telling myself, oh my god, why did I even buy from Temu? Because as a China, oh, this thing looks too small. This one is for toothpaste and toothbrush for hanging of. Oh my god, did it come with this? What was this? I thought it's supposed to come with a hook that we used to hook it on the wall, or is this the hook? I don't know what's going on here, guys. Okay, I got this one. I don't. I think I'm going to put a screenshot of the prices, the amount I got them from Temu, and I might even put the amount they are selling in China. So in case you want to buy from China, this one is this one has hook. This is what I was talking about. I was expecting that one to have this hook. Oh my god, it's two piece. The price is for two piece. The picture was two, not one. Oh, Temu, is this how you do? It's two, like, jeez. Oh my goodness. This is not good. This is not good. Temu, you do this one, no? Because I wasn't. What was this one for now? I don't know. Okay, this one is fruit storage for storing fruits. This one is exactly what I ordered, and it's black. Yeah, this is exactly what I ordered. So it's a fruit storage. I ordered two. Do you know that I bought this 8 points? I think 8.89 pounds. See, 8.89 pounds, and in China it is going for just 18 18 yuan. 18 yuan. 8.89 in naira is about, I think it's about 20. No, I know, I think it's about 17 or 18,000 naira. But 18 yuan is like three, is it? 18 yuan is like 3,000 and something. So I was like, oh my god, I shouldn't have ordered from Temu. I should have just um bought from 1688 as usual. Anyway, I have some things. I ordered more things from China, so we have more unboxing to do, guys. We have more unboxing to do. Oh my god, this thing looks big in the picture. It's looking so little here. What is this? This is so funny. It looks like a toy. If you see the picture, it looked big. It looks, oh, I think I just wasted my money. I don't like this one at all. It looked fine. It looked so perfect. Oh my goodness, this has too little. I ordered makeup you know, makeup sponge, but they look bigger in picture on Temu, and I have all these sizes already. I wanted a bigger one. And look at what they brought. Oh, anyway, it's fine. Did you guys know that my makeup products are from China as well? Like I get all my makeup products from China. Okay, so this one is for washing shoe in the washing machine. So when I saw it, it looks, yeah, this is, see it. This is for washing shoe. Like you put the shoe inside, zip it before you put it inside the washing machine to wash. So this like I love this one. The quality is good. See, and it's, I think I got it for like £2 or thereabouts. Yeah. So let's see what we got here. Okay, yeah, these are for my hair, my daughter too. This is for spraying, water or air. Yeah, this is airbrush. This is airbrush. So they were together. They sold it together. Okay, this is airbrush. Let's just check. Okay, this is good. Okay, so this one is literally yeah, the air supplier that I bought this air from added this for me as a gift. So I saw it inside the hair when I unboxed it. Color, I think it was color blue or color purple. So since I got here, I always find it difficult to part hair, like especially when I want to make my daughter's hair, because the cotton comb, like the wooden cotton comb I brought, even broke. So I always, so this will be very very useful to part hair very well like that. Okay, guys, so these are the things I got from Temu. What do you think of the products? So everything I bought, I spent, how much did I spend? I spent like 30 something pounds, or yeah, I think 30 something pounds. Okay, guys. Yeah, here's another one. This one looks different too. This one is another airbrush. Okay, yeah, I used to see this one on 1688 a lot. See, I don't know why is it like this. Supposed to be, I don't know. Maybe is there a way they use it? Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. I have a lot of content coming your way. Please subscribe if you want to see more of my videos and unboxing videos, more unboxing. Bye bye.